Good morning, the students of Modern International School Hasua. Dear students, I am Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the topic of article. An article is a long piece of composition which can be written on a variety of topics as if it related to sports, medicine, philosophy, literature, education, and environment, etc. The main idea is to provide information, ideas, opinion to the readers in a logical and systematic manner. Dear students, articles generally published in magazines, newspapers, and journals. Article writing requires a high degree of creativity, a rich vocabulary, a good command over the subject, some research done, and a lot of organization abilities. Dear student, it is a written work published in a print on an electronic medium. We see various articles published in the newspapers and magazines also. There are self-contained pieces of writings dealing with mainly current topics. Dear students, at the time of writing the articles, you have to take care of these points. At first, title. What title? That means what topic you are going to write. So at first, you should write the heading of the article and it states about the topic. If your title is clear, then introduction. Second point, it is important to introduce the topic to your readers. And this part of the article, it is the such matter that will develop interest in reading your piece of work and come to the next part. Keep it crisp, simple, and communicate everything. Dear student, your language should be simple so that every person should understand. It will be in the mind of every person that who is interested. Main body. Main body, what is the function of main body? What is the aim of writing the letter? You have to mention an main body. Main body may consist of two or more paragraphs. The paragraph should be used to elaborate your idea, your thought. What is your thought about the article? What you want to mention and the introduction. Ideally, the one paragraph must follow into the other end and carry on the thought. Dear student, continue to be clear. That means what you are writing, what you want to say with the help of articles, it should be clear and specific, and you can elaborate vocabulary to make your writing interesting. Dear student, and at last, conclusion. That means conclusion means finally result. What you want, what should be done about this. A good conclusion or ending leaves. That means the conclusion of articles will be neatly clean, leaves readers feeling that the article has come to be successful, and every reader will be satisfied to read the article, and it will affect the mind of readers. A conclusion should actually summarize the idea or give a, a lead to another idea, so that you might want to write as a successive article, and it should be engaging and should close the loop. Dear students, I expect that you will certainly understand about the article, what I am saying, what I am telling to you. If any confusion, any doubt, you can ask me on my phone or personal WhatsApp. Thanks.